Just look at my insane crypto wallet. I made all this money in the past month just off launching meme coins. If you want to learn exactly how I did it, make sure to stick to the end. I used to spend hours on hours every single day in the trenches trading meme coins, but every single time I put my money inside a coin, for some reason it just kept getting rug pulled. Like this one right here. It just got rug pulled within a day. And even this one. It just got rug pulled a couple minutes ago. Now the people who are actually making the most money off meme coins are the people who are launching these coins. They are simply just making the coin, pumping it up, and then profiting a shit ton of money off removing the liquidity. Now if you actually want to make some serious money, you have to become the creator behind these meme coins, because the truth is that these people are making so much money, it's absolutely absurd. And that's exactly how I made my first $100,000 off meme coins. All I did was I launched my own coins and I removed the liquidity. And the best part is that, first of all, it's fully repeatable. All you can do is launch coins over and over again and print thousands of dollars, okay? Now the second benefit is that you have nothing to lose. All you have to lose is your time, okay? You will never lose your money, you will always gain profit. But obviously this is all for educational purposes only, so do not copy me. But anyways, now it's time to cut all the bullshit and to head straight to the point. So to launch your first coin, you want to come to launch tokenfast.fun, and on this exact website you will be able to launch your first coin with no coding required and super fast. And I do vouch for this website. I've been testing this website out for a couple weeks now and I've made thousands of dollars, so this website is legit and it does work. And the best part about launching your coins on launchtokens.fun is that the coins are launched on the Raydium DEX, which means that you will get way more money than putting your coins on the Pump.Fun DEX. Why? Because a bunch of coins are being created on Pump.Fun at the moment. It's too saturated and no big investors are gonna buy your coin if you make it on Pump.Fun. So you have to be making your coins on the Raydium DEX to get that next level profits. Okay, so for example here, 6 million, 11 million, $7,400,000 in market cap on the Raydium DEX. And if you go on Pump.Fun, you can see 4K, 10K, 4K, 30K. It's absolutely horrible. You have to be making your coins on the Raydium DEX or on launchtokens.fun if you want to make a shit ton of money. But anyways, now to launch your coin, you can either make it here manually by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So if someone big tweeted or if a meme came out, you can make a coin here and make thousands. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, you can come to the third tab on the copy trending coins right here. And you can duplicate any coin that has a decent narrative. Now, all these coins have a good narrative and they're all trending and pumping on Pump.Fun, so you're basically guaranteed to get buyers if you had to replicate them. But all these coins have already proven to work on Pump.Fun, so it's almost guaranteed they'll perform well on the Raydium DEX too, especially since they're about to migrate. And I've personally made thousands of dollars just off launching coins here and just duplicating them over and over again, and I'm gonna do a live example right now. Now the angry poo right here just caught my attention. It had a last buy 4 seconds ago and it has 20 replies, which is not bad, but it has a funny name. Okay, so I'm gonna create coin. After that, go inside your phantom. Then a warning will pop up. This is completely normal. It's just Phantom saying that, it's a warning. It's completely normal. Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then your coin should be created shortly. Hello? Boom. Now copy your token address and click on create liquidity pool. Now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain, okay? Now, here select your coin, Angry Poo. Obviously, I have a bunch of coins because I'm grinding this shit out every single day and I'm making thousands. Here select your Solana binds. Diamond token A, click on max to put a billion coins in the pool. And Diamond token B, You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana or more if you want. I like to put 0.5 Solana. This is basically the first buy inside the coin with your own money. Obviously, make sure you have enough here, and you are not losing this money since you are the first buyer inside your coin. Okay, so this is a no loss investment. It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity, so it's completely safe. Then click on create pool, and shortly confirm. Then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. You're already $20 in profit. Now click on join vote on. And now your coin is live. It pumped and it dipped. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, it's pumping a lot. Let's fucking go. Now, if you want to check your profits, you can actually come to launchtokens.fun, click on the refresh button, and as you can see, your profits are slowly going up. And also, if we go see all these buys, you can see that there's a bunch of bot buys. These are actually good for your coin because they create volume on your coin and it just gets a bunch of more buyers. Okay, so don't worry about bot buys. They are actually good for your coin. Oh my god, the coin is pumping a lot. As you can see, the market cap is going up, the liquidity is going up, and the percentage just went up a lot. If it goes higher, I might remove the liquidity. Oh shit. Okay, it's going back up. Oh my god, let's go. It's exploding. Yo, I could wait longer for more buyers, but I don't know. One more buy and then I'm removing the liquidity. Oh my god, it's exploding. Okay, now I think I might remove the liquidity. So come back to launchtokens.fun, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. Come on, go fast. Bro, I could have waited longer, but you know, I'm not greedy. Come on, confirm. And boom! We just removed the complete liquidity out of the coin, and that's exactly how you print money out of thin air without even doing anything, bro. Yo, and if I open my Phantom wallet to see how much I made, because I am not a scammer, bro, this is completely legit. $500 is inside my wallet. Oh my fucking god, bro. At the beginning, I literally had like, I think 0.8 Solana. Now I have 3.5 Solana. I made $400 off this one launch, bro. Launchtokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And join my Telegram group down below. It's completely free, and now bye.